What's up guys? Ito na naman tayo at muli tayong magre-react. Pero this time guys, habang naghihintay tayo ng bagong upload ng Banda Mission Souls at ng bandang Franz Rhythm, dito muna tayo sa isang Pilipina na nag-viral dito sa London. Ayan. Ito yung pinamagatang Filipino duo Shocks. London with the Street Performance. Ayan. Yung kakantayin lang dito yung Die With A Smile ni Bruno Mars at ni Lady Gaga. Yan, meron tong views na 6.8 million views. Grabe, napakadaming views. Tingnan natin guys kung ba't nag-viral tong video na to. Panoorin natin. Si Shanily Tordilla Ileria. Meron siyang gitarista pala dito guys. Yung lalaki. Ayan, tignan natin yung pangalan mamaya. Hindi nakalagay.
So Josh is also a busker. He's
Si
a
Josh,
musician.
ayan.
He has a beautiful voice. And I thought I'd show you how beautiful his voice is. A few words?
Hi guys.
Yeah, it's short. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Hindi pa ako makakanta. Ang ganda na ng boses eh.
So,
Nung
I don't know
lalaki,
if you've
pati
noticed,
si
any of you, maybe not.
Shanily.
But we're both Filipino.
Anybody
Anyone from the Philippines?
Ayun, yung
Yes.
nagtaas ng kamay.
Anybody from the Philippines? No?
No?
That is really weird because there's a Jollibee right there. Yes,
May Jollibee
Italy, you
pala
said?
Oh, there is one.
Hi. And as
Yeah, meron
true
mga
good
Pinoy
Filipino people, we
na
love Bruno Mars.
nanonood.
So
Do we
we're
know
gonna
Bruno
sing-
Mars?
Yes.
Siyempre,
Do you know his
Bruno Mars yan.
latest song release? Okay,
Kapwa
maybe not the
natin
latest.
Pinoy. Isang icon.
No, I'm kidding.
Sorry, I had to say it.
Nakaka-proud lang na meron tayong mga
Alright, sing
Pinoy
along.
na
Here we go.
sikat ano, sa buong mundo.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know
Ganda ng
what
boses.
it all means,
Lamig eh.
but since I've got, I realize wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.
Grabe no? Grabe yung quality ng boses nito. Ni Josh.
Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night.
Galing niya rin mag-strumming.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth.
Parang kaboses niya si Guy Sebastian, no? Yung dating sumali sa American Idol ba yan?
Was through, I wanna hold you just for a while, and die with a smile.
Galing.
If the world is
Abangan natin si Shanily.
ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Give it up for Josh, everybody.
Thank you, thank you.
Ayos.
Here we go.
Grabe yung suporta ng mga tao. Talagang nagandahan sa boses ni Josh.
Oh, I lost in the words that we scream. I don't wanna do this anymore. 'Cause you already know what you
Ganda ng
mean to
boses ni
me.
Shanily.
And our love's the only way we're fighting for.
First time ko palang napanood to si Shanily. Ganda ng boses niya. Mapanood nga iba niya pang video. Meron siyang ilan ba yung kanyang subscribers? 82,400. Yan, i-check nyo guys yung kanyang channel. Lalagyan natin sa ating description.
Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrows. I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last
lang ako sure kung naka-standard tune sila. Yung tono ni Bruno Mars at ni Lady Gaga. O nakaset dun sa kanilang mismong, ano ba tawag doon? Range ng boses nilang dalawa.
If the party was over and our time on
Ganda ng
earth
kombinasyon ng boses.
was through, I wanna hold you just for a while.
Pero pansinin nyo guys, ang dami naghintuan, no? Na ano, talagang agaw pansin, ano, yung boses nilang dalawa. Kaya naman pala nakaabot ng 6.8 million views to. Grabe, no? Ganda pa nung, ang ganda rin kasi nung kanta ni Bruno Mars tsaka ni Lady Gaga.
And I, with a smile, if the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you, right next to you.
Yan, no? Merong mga Pinoy doon sa gilid, no? Proud na proud sa kanilang kababayan.
Right next to you, right next to you, yeah.
Regular na nagbabasking yata to si Shani Lee. Ito yata yung talaga kanyang content. Meron ako isang hindi ko maalala yung pangalan ng isang nagbabasking din. Pero hindi siya Pinay. Pero ang galing niya. Husky yung boses niya. Yan, i-comment nyo lang guys kung meron kayong alam na nagbabasking. Yan. At kung meron pa kayong alam na iba pa, yan, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section. Gawa natin na reaction.
Sing it with us. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Ganda ng kombinasyon ng boses nilang dalawa. Si Josh parang may pagka R&B, no? Yung style ng boses niya. Hawig nga siya sa boses ni ni Guy Sebastian. Yung sumikat ding singer dati.
If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while. And I, with a smile.
Parang mas mataas yung version talaga ni Bruno Mars, Ito medyo lang, medyo mababa. Hindi ko lang sure kung anong key nila kinuha to. Pero sigurado ako medyo mababa itong tono nila. Pero okay lang, ganda. Ganda ng quality ng boses nila.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. Thank you very much. Give it up for Josh, everybody.
Ayun, medyo naputol bigla yung video. Hindi natin narinig yung audience. And guys, kung meron pa kayong kilala na nagbabasking, ayan, mapa Pinoy man yan, mapa ibang lahi, i-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section at gagawin natin ang reaction. Ayan, magsisimula na tayo guys mag-react sa mga artists na nagbabasking. Ayan, saan mang sulok ng mundo. At kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong klase reaction video, mag-subscribe na rin kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.